under 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google credentials to n8n and even give you that bonus tip that you're going to need if you're using something like Hostinger to host your n8n account. Let's go. We'll start with Google Drive. First thing we want to do is click on Google Docs. We'll click on Docs up here. We need Google Drive credentials. We can click through to this link as well, the OAuth 2 single service. Then click on Create a Google Cloud account. You'll sign in, you'll go to Console. You'll create a new project. You pick a name. You don't have to pick an organization. You press create. Now it's green. Next, you're going to enable APIs. You'll click on this menu. You go to APIs and services, library, and you'll type in the APIs that we're going to enable. So it's going to be for Drive, and it's just going to be Google Drive API. Click there, enable. Good, and while we're here, we're also going to do this for other ones we're setting up as well, so we can just get them all in one go. We'll do it for Gmail. Go back to library, do it for calendar. And for docs. Okay, great. Now n8n has permission to access all of those apps. The next part we can do is go to the OAuth consent screen. We'll press Get Started. We'll create an app name. Pick a user support email. Pick an audience. You'll go with external. Put in your own email. Agree. Create. We're going to go to branding. And then you're going to go down to add a domain. And if you are using n8n, you're just going to be typing in n8n.cloud. However, this is that bonus step. If you're using Hostinger, you need to be typing in this instead, hstgr.cloud. After adding that, you're going to hit save. Then you'll go back to the main menu. You'll go to API services, credentials. You'll create credentials. You're going to create an OAuth client ID. The application type is a web application. Just call it something that you'll remember. Then you're going to add your URL. And this URL is going to come straight from n8n. So this is where you'll click on this add new credential. You'll go down here to get this URL. You'll click copy. Paste it in here. You'll press create. And then this page right here will bring up a lot of important information that you'll need to remember for all of the apps that we're using today, like your client ID and client secret. So you'll just copy that client ID, we'll paste it into client ID, and you'll copy the client secret, and paste that into the client secret as well. Again, do not forget this information. Make sure you copy it into a safe place because it says you will not be able to view or download the client secret once closing this dialog. So this is the last time you'll be able to see it unless you have downloaded it, copied it, and stored it. So make sure it is copied and pasted somewhere where you can use it again for later. Okay, and last step, and this is a step that you do not want to forget because it will give you an absolute headache if you forget to add this step. We go to the OAuth consent screen. We'll click on audience, and we'll go down to add test users and add yourself as a test user. Press save there and go back to n8n. Press save on the Google Drive account. Scroll to the bottom, press sign in with Google. You'll choose your account, press continue, select all, continue, connection successful. And now you can X out of this and you can see that we're connected by seeing all the different files that we have here. Now we can go to our next one, Gmail, create new credential. Now copy and paste that client ID and client secret that we saved from earlier. Save it, sign in with Google again, continue, select all, continue, and now it's connected. Next, Google Calendar, create new credential, paste in the client ID and client secret, sign in with Google, continue, select all, continue, successful. Last, create a document, create a credential, paste in your client ID and secret, press save, sign in with Google, continue, select all, connection successful. X out of that, and we can see that this is working because we'll just select a document, press execute step, node executed successfully. Next one, create a draft, then add in test information, test, execute step, check, green, good to go. Get many events from Google Calendar. Now we're going to select a calendar, execute step, it's green, it's good to go. Come back here, and then I had a situation where it said there was an error here. I just had to save it, then reload the page, and it worked just fine. And we'll go to our main folder. We'll do a title of test, and we can do execute step, and it looks like it's good to go. Go back out, and you're connected with all of those Google credentials. And with that, your Google credentials are all connected to your n8n account. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below or reach out to me at my Skool community in the link below. Also, be sure to like and subscribe so you can continue learning about more automations to build for you or your favorite company. I'll catch you in the next one.